Imagine this. It's 3 a.m. You wake up again, rushing to the bathroom for the third time tonight. You stand there, half asleep, struggling with a weak flow, feeling frustrated, tired, and helpless, if that sounds familiar. Stay with me, because what I'm about to share could change your life forever. Prostate problems don't hit all at once. They sneak up slowly. You start noticing your flow, isn't as strong as it used to be. Nights become restless, and before you know it, your energy, confidence, and even your love life start to fade away. It's not just about going to the bathroom, it's about how it makes you feel. You lose focus at work, you avoid social plans, and deep inside, you just don't feel like yourself anymore. The truth is, this silent issue affects millions of men worldwide, yet so few talk about it. Because who wants to admit that their body isn't working the way it used to? But if you're watching this, you're not alone, and more importantly, there's hope. What if I told you that scientists in Japan have recently discovered a completely natural way to support prostate health and improve urine flow by simply boosting blood circulation around the prostate? That discovery has led to something revolutionary, something called ProstaVive. ProstaVive is a powerful, fast-acting formula designed specifically to restore and protect your ProstaVive health. It works by optimizing blood flow and cell metabolism inside the prostate, helping you regain strong urine flow, uninterrupted sleep, and renewed energy. Thousands of men of all ages are now enjoying better nights, more confidence, and even a more active love life, all thanks to ProstaVive's unique blend of natural ingredients. Here's what just one glass of ProstaVive a day can do for you. Support a healthy, youthful prostate and strong urine flow. Help you sleep peacefully through the night. Supercharge your natural energy and focus. Reignite your stamina, vitality, and confidence. And even help maintain healthy blood pressure and circulation throughout your body. Imagine waking up refreshed, energized, and ready to take on the day without those nightly interruptions. Without that embarrassment, and without feeling older than you are. ProstaVive isn't like every other supplement out there. It's made from proven science-backed ingredients like ashwagandha, tonkatali, panax, ginseng, maca root, and boron, all known for supporting male health and vitality for centuries. Plus, it's produced in FDA-approved facilities right here in the USA, and thousands of satisfied users are already calling it a life-changer. No chemicals, no side effects, just pure, natural power that your body understands. If you're ready to finally take control of your health, sleep peacefully again, and feel like the best version of yourself, don't wait another second. The link to ProstaVive is right below in the description. Go grab yours while it's still on a special discount. Trust me, once you experience the difference, you'll wonder why you didn't start sooner. But before you go, I want to hear from you. What's the one thing you wish you could fix about your health right now? Is it your energy, your sleep, or your confidence? Drop your answer in the comments. I read every single one. And hey, if this video helped you in any way, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the bell icon because we post more real, life-changing health solutions every single week. Your support helps this video reach more people who are silently struggling, and together, we can help millions of men take back control of their health, happiness, and confidence. So go ahead, click that link below, claim your ProstaVive today, and start your journey to a stronger, healthier, and more confident you. This is your moment. Don't let another night of frustration hold you back. Click the link in the description and take your first step toward freedom with ProstaVive.